I have a 3+ years of experience in UI UX, and I've taken the UI UX course from GUVI. I've done my bachelor's of multimedia in Hyderabad, college affiliated to JNTO. Then later I've done my PG certification from IIT Hyderabad. I came to know about GUVI through online website. There was only one mentor for us, Shashi Kiran. He's my favorite because the way he taught us everything, platform itself and the projects that were assigned to us, and the mentor, the way he explained. One project I'm proud of is my own project, that is Kolivo. I mean, I did it for final project of GUVI's course. I'm proud of it because I did the UX research and UI from the scratch. I feel confident on my UI skills. They were a little down. I would rate myself before the course, I would rate myself around 7 like that. But then after the course, I would say it's gone up to 9. AI tools, as I was speaking about it. On the scale of 10, before I was probably 6, 6.5, but now I would say I'm ready till 9, 9.5. Using AI tools, I couldn't build UI screens, but then now I understood where to use the AI tools and where to use my skills. My GUVI journey was phenomenal, outstanding, and it was really helpful for me. I mean, my queries, whenever I raised a query, I got the call back really quickly from the coordinator. My queries were solved, and they even asked me if I have any other concerns. The mentor was really great, but then I watched the recordings again and again to sharpen my skills. I would say just go for it because the mentors and the platform is really helpful for a lot of people.